Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk install our app on phones that are not having an App Store account logged in or no iCloud account. You know that we can only install phones or apps on phones with iCloud accounts. It's pretty damn annoying. But there are ways to overcome this if you have an Apple Business account. Apple Business account is free if you're a business. You just need to sign up, provide your EIN, which you have if you have a business. You have to provide your DUNS number, which is a Dun & Bradstreet registration, which if you Google it, it's also free. It takes about 10 minutes. And then I think they're going to call you or call like a reference you give a business partner to verify your business is real. And then they approve your business account and you can get started. Okay. In your Apple Business Manager, you go to apps and books, you find our app, PhoneTest.app, and then you select the location, you select the quantity you want, and you do get. Okay. And then as soon as you have those licenses, you go into Apple Configurator 2 or just Apple Configurator version 2. I don't know why they call it 2 because it doesn't say 2 on the website. And then you log in with your Apple Business Manager account, of course. That's the trick. If you log in with your iCloud account, you can only install apps on phones that are linked to your iCloud. But if you log in with your Apple Business Manager account, you're using what's called the volume licensing, and that doesn't require you to log into the App Store. Okay, so now you can install apps on devices that are not linked to any iCloud account, so you don't have to go over that hassle every time. So now this is linked. We click on Add. We click on Apps. We select the app that is that we have licenses for, and now we click Add. It's going to download the app. And it's going to install it on the phone. And you can do this with many phones at the same time. Oh, it already exists. Yeah, I just recorded this video a minute ago and it didn't save, so I have to redo this. Anyways, trust me, this is how it's done. It's quick, it's fast, and it's on the app now. You can open it and it's not going to ask you to go to the App Store to verify that you're legit or whatever. Okay, so this is how you install the app. If the phone doesn't have an iCloud account. If you're a CPR store and somebody comes in with their phone, you can just do it through the App Store if they have an Apple account linked. And you know what you can also do? Leave a 5-star review with their account. That will really help us out. Don't limit yourself to leaving us one 5-star review only with your own account. If you're helping people, you can have these people help us. Okay. Awesome. If you want something more stable and more and a little bit better than Apple Configurator, we use iMazing. iMazing works better in my experience. I've been able to set up a blueprint on Apple Configurator that resets the phone, skips the assistant, the setup assistant, install the app, but it gets stuck at the Wi-Fi. It won't install the Wi-Fi profile of my warehouse of wherever I am, and then it kind of gets like a partial setup. It's just if you do a lot of devices, you want this to work well. It works great with iMazing. Costs a couple $100, but it's worth it. We got some real good deal. So if you're a heavy user and you want to get set up with iMazing, hit us up. And if you're a heavy user, we're also interested in talking with you about how we can improve your flipping or your buyback business with our platform Phones.trade. So yeah, go to Phones.trade, schedule a call, and I'll see you there. For now, you know how to install our app for free on as many devices you want as fast as possible. And look out for the amazing video, which I'm going to record right now. Later.